All right. Jess U8 places a 3 microcoulomb charge 3.5 meters from a 5 microcoulomb charge. What is the force of repulsion? So force is going to be KQQ over R squared, right? So 8.99 times 10 to the minus 9th Newton meters squared coulombs to the minus 2, right? And then it's 3.0 times 10 to the minus 6th times 5.0 times 10 to the minus 6th, all divided by, 3.5 squared. 8.99. Divided by 3.5 squared. Don't forget to square your R, right? That's like the only tricky thing. Notice that that's meters. This is coulombs. Coulombs go the way of the bison, right? Meters squared goes away, right? And I end up with an answer that is just not right. So let's see. Oh, there we go. I used 8.99 times 10 to the minus 6, which that's just not going to cut it. This is to the 9th. 0.011. Okay, so the force is 0.011 newtons. Ta-da! Not a lot of force, right? But they're pretty far away, and these aren't large charges, so